be teaching you how to clean a chicken coop. So first you open up the coop. Now right now there is 2 eggs. And then you put them in the carton. Oh, wow. Now I'm wearing gloves, so it's kind of hard. Step 2, you remove all this dirty hair right here. Can you hold this? Where do I put this?
In the garden, right? For fertilizer.
And then you put it in the garden for fertilizer. There's a lot. You have to scrape it all up. And it's gross. Now I have my fresh hay in here. This big bucket. And then you put it in the nesting boxes and spread it around so it's nice and soft. Can't do the other side because someone's laying eggs. Ooh. For the rest. Okay. And then the last step is just to close up this chicken coop. Ta-da! Then that is how you clean a chicken coop. And don't forget to wear your gloves.